Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Metal Recorder Mobile and signing in. This ties recordings to your profile. Once done, grant microphone and storage permissions. The app needs live audio access and file saving. Next, press New Recording and pick 44. 1K HZ for standard quality. Lower rates save space but reduce fidelity. Make sure to select mono or stereo depending on your source, and set input gain to avoid clipping. You're ready, hit the red record button to begin capturing your first take. You now handle the complex middle steps. Balance input gain, apply the limiter to prevent peaks, and enable the noise gate to cut low-level hiss. Once set, add metadata, a clear title, relevant tags, and location, so you can find files later. Monitor while recording with closed-back headphones and watch the level meter. Aim for peaks around -6 dBFS to preserve headroom. If using external mics, verify phantom power and routing. When satisfied, press pause between segments rather than stop to keep takes linked. You finish by exporting and securing your work. Choose WAV for maximum quality or MP3 for space savings, then select bit depth or bitrate. Once exported, enable autosave and cloud sync so files copy to your account immediately. This prevents accidental loss. If you encounter issues, first confirm microphone and storage permissions, then free up space and restart the app. If recordings are distorted, lower input gain or disable any software effects. Finally, update the app. Many bugs resolve with the...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.